Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Thursday, February 26th. A lot of the same. Guys, a lot of the same. This is what you're seeing here. And with the scary part about it is that we start making new highs, and out of the blue, the market just literally just starts to dump. And then we recover a little bit into the close. But this is scary. I mean, coming out of nowhere, Janet Yellen had some comments, but that wasn't the case. It just literally just came in. Market selling came in, and then now we're back down to the other area, and we're up again in the futures this evening. So we're up about 2.5 in the pre-market. So let's go take a look at the indexes. Again, guys, a whole lot of nothing. Seems like the market's waiting for something. I mean, non-farm payrolls are coming out tomorrow. I don't know if there's going to be any type of surprise, but remember, it's what the market, it's how the market reacts, not what the number actually is. So just keep that in mind for tomorrow. But I'll run real quick. This is going to be a very short video. There's absolutely nothing going on. The one thing that I was looking at the indicators, and again, just because of the time constraint on the videos, the McClellan oscillator with its Bollinger Bands is starting to pinch. That means that there's going to be an explosive move one way or the other. Obviously, it doesn't tell you which way, but they're starting to pinch. And I'll show that to you tomorrow. I'll bring out some indicators just to kind of freshen us up with where we are with the indicators and where the market is. But the McClellan oscillator is starting to contract here a little bit. So we'll see what happens with that. But that's a good sign that volatility should be coming into the marketplace soon. Okay, spiders, take a look. Really didn't go anywhere. Inside day yet again. And again, this thing on Friday is really, this candle really isn't obviously it's price, and it does, it actually did do what it seems, but if you looked at it all day on Friday, it really didn't do anything other than a couple of moves up at the end of the day to rally and get this large candle here. But nonetheless, it is price. So, but I think it's a little what's the word I'm trying to use? Not as important. But right now we are holding these gains, so let's just leave it at that. But you can see here we're above the area of resistance, which is now support. And I like to see a market pull back in again. We are still in an uptrend. But guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days of eking out gains. Doesn't matter if it's 1 or 2 points. Needs a rest. And this whole market needs a rest. So we could really use a decent pullback. But we'll see. Let's take a look at the other indices. Transports. Really not going anywhere. That's another big concern of mine. This market is really not going anywhere here. So the transports really need to start getting moving here. I want to see this. It did alleviate that lower lows and lower highs I showed you this week, but we really need to keep moving higher here. XLF doing okay coming out of that bull flag, but now we got to move. You can see the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten a little bit. Let's see if we could take out 25. As you know, that's a weekly resistance, 25, and then we see new highs. That's going to also help the IWMs. And as you can see here, straight up, and now these little tiny candles coming back. So let's see if this market can, let's see if it's sustainable and we can continue to make new highs here, okay? We're at uncharted territory yet again, right? And then lastly, we'll get 2 more. The diamonds here coming in, did have an outside day, up about 15 points on the day. Really not much of anything, but again, it's pausing. And you can see what a sloppy chart. I mean, the market has been really horrible since December, if you really look at it. I mean, just really slop. And we'll see. Let's see where this market is headed. If we decide that markets want to make new highs, then we're going to be looking for pullbacks. But if we start to get a little bit of a pullback, that could turn into a full-fledged correction. It all depends, and we don't know until it actually happens, okay? So we're going to have to be patient. I mean, this is unfortunate that we're not doing much here. February was basically a lost month. Really didn't do too much in equities anyway, for that matter. Here's the Qs. Lastly's the Qs. Okay, we got a little bit of a pullback, and now we're back here at the upper end of the range. We have 3-day inside days and price. So a pullback should be welcomed. A nice pullback here back to the 20, and then maybe we catapult higher yet again. We'll see. But technology's doing well. Banks doing okay. The market is nothing wrong with the market. It's just that the valuations are extreme, and we need a pullback. And that's what's happening. Nobody really wants to put any money to work, but nobody wants to short anything. So we're kind of stagnant here until we can get some sort of a risk-on event, a risk-off event, in the marketplace, and maybe the non-farm payrolls tomorrow will be the one. We'll see. Have a great day, everybody. We'll speak to you later. Take care.